Okay, ladies and gents, we're at my house. Oh, press snake sound. I got that stuck in my head from PvP. Jesse and Gina. You guys are my inspiration to make YouTube videos. Oh, crap, ice. But yeah, we're at my house. So slippery. Okay, this is my house right here. Remember? Ouch. Ouch. Wait. Okay, put your stuff in a proper spot. Put your stuff in a proper spot, Ember. I don't care. Put it in a proper spot. Put it in a proper spot. Okay. Now the fun part to meet the dog. Stay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey, Tegan. Hi. Tegan. Tegan. Come here. Hey. Hi. Hi. Do you need outside? Can you sit? Sit. Okay. Come over here. Can you sit? Sit. Tegan, sit. Sit. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Good girl. Other paw. Sit down. Okay, sit. No. Tegan, here. 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 Sit. Stay. Come. But yeah, it's my dog. I'll upload these tonight. Okay. How weird does this look? Okay. So this is my house. And then leave the dog alone. And then, okay. So how sketchy you go. It looks like my kitchen in the window if you look good. You see me in the window, hi. And all of a sudden it disappears. And you're in me and looking outside. Hey, the light turned off. Whoa. So yeah, I think that's a wrap. So peace. Thanks for everything.